How to type exclamation mark on your laptop keyboard. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how you can easily type in the exclamation mark on your keyboard. So as you can see, I have a Word document open right here, which is blank. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. On that note, let's get started. Now, in order to type in the question mark on your keyboard, you will have to find it on your keyboard first, which is located right on the number 1. So if you see your number pad right on top of your top row of your keyboard, you will see all of your numbers 1 through 0. Then on the very first number, you will see the exclamation sign. So in order to type that, you can just tap Shift plus number 1 and it will type in the exclamation sign. But if you just type in the number 1, it will just show 1. But in order to get the exclamation, you just type in Shift. You can either hold left or right Shift depending on your convenience. Whichever one is convenient for you, you can hold it, then press the 1 and it will bring out the exclamation sign. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.